Hey everyone, DJ Hurley here from MKFM, and today I am super excited about this very plain brown box in front of me. This is the very first time that a company has reached out to me because of my YouTube channel and said, listen, we're loving what you're doing. We think you're a great fit for our products. If we sent you something, would you mind taking a look at it and giving us your opinion on it? Heck yeah. It's from a company called Betopper, and it's a 7x40 watt 4-in-1 RGBW wash and zoom moving head light. Now you might be thinking, hang on a minute, lights? You're a DJ and a mixer, and something I've never shared on my channel before is the fact that I started in nightclubs as a light controller. I was a light jock, so you have disc jockey and you have a light jockey. So my background from the very beginning, 15 years old in a club, was actually operating and maintaining the lights. I went on to DJ, become the warm-up DJ, and then take on my own nights. I've checked the light out online. It seems really versatile. It seems like it can do a lot of things. I think it's going to suit DJs and promoters who put on their own parties. So if you hire out like little halls in the back of a pub or something like that, 2 of these or 4 of these, that's who I think this light is going to be perfect for. Let's get it unboxed, let's dive in, let's take a look at it. So got the user manual. How many pages? Okay, cool, very minimal. Most of that's going to be health and safety, maintenance and cleaning, the technical specifications. I'll make sure I pop them up on the screen for you. And then lots of the different menu operations, DMX addresses, stuff like that. What the various channels will do, whether you're using the 12 channel or 18 channel DMX. So super useful. I don't know if any of you are going to read the manual. Betopper warranty card, okay, useful. Please contact us for troubleshooting. There we go. Says on here 1 year warranty. That's going to be handy for a lot of people. You then have the mounting bracket. Everything's absolutely solid in that, as you'd expect. So if I bring the unit out, let's take a look. Oh. Do you know what? Slightly heavier than I was expecting. That's proof of its build quality straight away. Okay, and then we have, let's have a look. So you've got your 3-pin DIN, XLR, male, female. That will be used then for your DMX. And then you've also got power cable. Betopper, thank you for sending me the UK plug version of the light unit. Thank you, we get that plugged straight in without any adapters. I was thinking I might have to go and quickly run out and buy an adapter. That is heavy. Okay, straight off the bat, we need to talk about the fact that it's got these great little handles on the base. So if I turn it this way, those handles, uber convenient that is. That's nice. You're not going to have any fear carrying that to and from your setup. So, first thing, I'll connect the power up and we'll get it fired up. So the first thing to notice about this moving headlight is its powerful 7x40 watt RGBW LEDs. That's red, green, blue and white all packed into one fixture. This combination is going to allow you to create a huge range of colours, making it ideal for dynamic lighting at events, clubs or even smaller gigs. The beam angle is adjustable between 4.5 degrees right the way through to 45 degrees, which gives you a ton of flexibility. I mean, this thing's going to be perfect for stage washes, spotlights, or just creating cool effects that are going to fill your space. What I really like about this light is how versatile the control options are. You've got DMX control with 12 or 18 channels, meaning you can get super precise with your programming if that's your thing. But you know what? If you want something a bit more hands-off, there are also automatic and sound activated modes. That means the light can sync up with the music, making it great for DJs like me who just want lighting that reacts live to the beats. And the lighting effects that it comes packed with, blimey, there's loads. You've got colour mixing, zoom, and some really cool built-in effects like vortex and kaleidoscope. Plus, if you understand anything about colour temperature in lights, this one goes from a warm 28,000K, so that's kind of warm, is like an orangey light, right the way through to a cool 85,000K, giving you even more creative control over the atmosphere that you're creating. That's amazing. And for those looking to add drama to a performance, you've got things like strobe, dimming, sound reactive modes that can really bring that extra edge. In terms of build quality, Betopper has done a solid job on this unit. This light features advanced cooling technology, which means it prevents overheating, ensuring it's got a longer lifespan. So that means we're talking up to 50,000 hours of use. That's pretty impressive. It's also easy to install thanks to dual handles, and you can set it up on the floor, wall, or even mount it on a ceiling. So who's the light for? Well, like I said earlier, whether you're a DJ, stage designer, or running events, this moving head will definitely enhance your setup. It's versatile, it's powerful, it's packed with features that make it a great choice for all kinds of events, I think. I mean, if you're a mobile DJ, weddings, parties, yeah, bring it. Club nights and performances. Honestly, 2 or 4 of these are going to set your night off. So, a couple of things that just caught me out. When I plugged it in, what I hadn't realised was that the power was already on, so kind of shipped with the switch on. Probably safer to do that with the switch off, just so you kind of don't blow anything when you're plugging your power in. The cable is definitely lockable, so you push it in, you turn it, and it will lock, so that's great. One negative so far is the fact, maybe it's just me with dodgy cable management, the power lead, although it's great that it's UK for me, is very short. Okay, it's extremely short. Maybe that helps with keeping your light fittings tidy. You're going to need a long extension lead if you're just putting maybe 2 of these on pedestals and you haven't got power banks attached to those pedestals. I mean, if you are in the market for a solid, reliable moving head with great colour and control options, this Betopper 7x40 watt RGB wash and zoom is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Now it's time for me to get back to making some mixes.